Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create dreaming golden sunset in Photoshop. In this tutorial I will show you how to transform ordinary photo into breathtaking golden hours masterpiece using professional lighting and color grading techniques. We will begin adjusting exposure and white balance to set warm base tone. Next we will apply gradient maps and selective color to blend soft orange, pink and golden hues. You will learn how to paint light grays with soft brush and blend them naturally using overlay mode. We will add sunset flares and glow effects that cinematic sunset atmosphere. Then fine tune with the colors and curves, color balance adjustment to enhance depth and richness. To finish, we will softly blur the edges and sharpness